I'm Polly Bath. I speak in schools throughout the country helping to manage and change difficult classroom behaviors that interrupt instruction. Today, I'm going to answer one of your questions. Do you have any tips on ways to get kids in from recess? First of all, let's make sure we have enough recess. And I have this theory about recess, that recess really shouldn't be looked at as free time. Recess is actually prerequisites for learning. It's where you get most of your executive functioning skills and all that. And I could go off on a tangent here, but we all know we need more play in our lives in order to get the organizational skills that we need in our classrooms. But that's another story. But how do you get them in when they won't come in? Well, first of all, if I have to put 3 or 4 staff out there to try to coax a child in from recess, I'm probably not going to let them out the next day, which kind of negates what I just said, where kids need to play. I'm not going to take play away, but I can't take 3 or 4 staff out there to convince a child to come in from recess. So if you refuse to come in, the next day you're probably going to be assigned to structured recess, which is a tier 2 intervention. So kids are still playing, but they're playing together in a more, kind of confined space. And if they're by themselves, they get to play with their favorite things, and we give them maybe a fresh start the next day. But we've got to send them a very clear message that you cannot not come in from recess, all right? Because it can be a safety issue. It also, takes up a lot of staff time. So just put something in place and be really clear about it so the child gets the message that you just can't do that. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.